Can you see that? Can you see that? I mean, right there. Can you see that? You see that? God damn. Now the thing is that that filter isn't even a month's old filter. I think I got it like a few weeks ago and I've done some videos and vlogs with it, but it's brand new. And I'm really pissed at myself. I was just outside recording another video, and what happened was that I had a coffee cup on my other hand, and I made a newbie mistake of trying to remove the camera from the tripod with just one hand. Camera fell off, caught it in midair, and the filter kinda just smashed onto the coffee mug, and the mug is okay, but the filter's not. So at least I get to drink more coffee. This sucks. This sucks really bad. Now I was thinking about going outside to vlog, but it started raining, so there's that. So it's not a big problem that the filter got busted. The only thing is that it costs about 220 to 250 bucks. I ordered myself a new one from discount, so it was 220 bucks, and I'm just losing money here. I'm a nurse. I'm not rich. I might seem that I just do videos and stuff and buy myself stuff, but it's not that. I do a lot of work to buy these things, and Jesus Christ. But anyhow, we're gonna do a video inside. I'm just gonna show you how I film myself and how I do B-roll. So let's start. Now let's start with the basics. What is A-roll? What is B-roll? A-roll is this right here. I'm talking to you, I'm showing you a subject and talking about the subject, etc. That is A-roll. B-roll is the transition to another subject or another place on your vlog, for example. So B-rolls happen between A-rolls. A-rolls happen between B-rolls. That's about it. That's the easiest explanation that I can give you, and it's not that hard. So we're gonna do some A-roll right here. We're doing A-roll, and the next stuff is B-roll, and just gotta think, what am I gonna do for B-roll? Now this is some damn good coffee. Now every time you do B-roll, keep the edit in mind. You want to know where you're gonna cut the video. Like you saw that I did a lot of pans to the left, and I'm gonna show you by the end of the video how I edited that scene right there. Now, B-rolls don't have to be always pans to the left, pans up, pans down, transitions everywhere. They can be hard cuts. They also can be hard cuts. Like for example, you look at a movie or movie scenes, there's somebody driving a car, you see the road, you see a building they're parking in front of, and they go inside. And after that, the A-roll starts and they're having a conversation with another person. So they could be hard cuts. Don't have to always be transitions and stuff like that. Hard cuts are easier to do, and sometimes they're even nicer. It just gives some clarity to the B-roll. So let's go edit that video that I just did, and I'm going to show you how the transitions work. Now some few quick tricks before we start editing. How to hold the camera. Now I highly suggest using always two hands on the side, because you get that smooth and nice motion when you're doing stuff, and when you're going from side to side, you're always keeping it as stable as possible. Some situations need you to hold it like this, or actually like this, but I highly suggest always using two hands when it's possible. You can try it. Just put pause if you haven't tried it. Just do it now and try it. Try the difference. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 1, 2. And then take the hand to the lens. 1, 2, 1, 2. You can see that the camera is going more like this than it's going on this one. So you can actually keep it steady and straight when you're holding it like this. And it's easier to do stuff like these kind of turns, or just pan whips. I almost hit the light. Okay, to the editing. As you can see, I've already imported all the footage from this video to Premiere Pro, and in this folder is the B-roll folder, and in the B-roll folder is all the footage that I'm gonna use for the B-roll. Now, first of all, when you start editing the B-roll, I want to just clip it off from the beginning to a great start, and then I'm gonna head straight on to the end and see where the panning starts. I'm gonna cut the clip from the start of the pan and from the middle of the pan, and I'm gonna put like a 500% speed duration on it, and then I move to the next clip. I'm gonna see where the panning starts, but I'm not gonna cut it from the start. I'm gonna cut it from halfway through the pan and to the pan's end, and I'm gonna put a 500% speed duration there too, and just put them together. After that, I'm gonna do it to all the other clips too. So there's nothing special really about this method. It is easy, quick, and nice to use for beginners who are getting into B-roll and you wanna just do some nice slow motion with quick pans and stuff. So it is really easy. Then there's the sound effects. Here I'm just gonna quickly show you that I just put in some sound effects, searched from Epidemic Sound and put them in there, ambience, some beans dropping and stuff like that, and there it is. That's the video, that's the B-roll. This is, like I said, a really quick edit for beginners, and this is what I used a lot in the beginning. I didn't want to start doing or fiddling with the speed ramps and stuff. Now I do that a little bit more, but still I use this a lot when I'm in a hurry. This is the best way, and you just sometimes feel like, okay, this vlog isn't that important that I should put like 30 minutes of time on my B-roll sequences. Sometimes I just do quick cuts like this and voila, it's ready. Hope you liked the video, hope this helps you out. Remember to subscribe if it does, because more of these kind of videos are coming as soon as I get onto them. So see you on the next one.